Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. So day 30 of the Quarantine Gardeners. It's Allison and I, if you didn't know that. We're taking a break from our house and our garden to come over and help my parents build a greenhouse. They got a kit greenhouse and we're putting it together today.
And we're socially distancing ourselves. His parents are inside, we're outside. And basically, we just finished up inventory of this huge box of materials.
Yep.
So that took a while.
It was crazy.
That was a bit.
Yeah.
But we are ready. I think our plan is to build the frame today and see how far we can get on that.
I think so. So it's a little early in the morning, so we're trying not to talk too loud. And so that's why we're kind of talking a little bit lower. And so, we're going to get started here. So we're going to show you some ins and outs of us doing the work, and then we'll get back to you.
Yeah, so stay tuned for our progress, and we're excited to show you how far we get today.
Yep. So here we go.
So we thought we'd show you real quick all the materials we have laid out. You can just see this big row of aluminum pieces. We're not sure how they all fit together yet, but we're imagine the biggest IKEA piece you've ever put together. We have these crazy directions. At least they have pictures. I'll show you an example.
There's what we're dealing with overall, guys.
It's a cute hobby greenhouse.
It's only 6x8. It's polycarbonate sheeting on the outside, so it's nice and lightweight and easy to handle, safe, won't break. So
it looks really cute online too. They got this at Costco?
Yep, it was a Costco purchase.
Yeah.
But you can get them from different suppliers too.
And here's the inventory that we just took.
Yeah, part of it.
Part of it.
And here's more of it.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So, and some of the stuff isn't circled. We just didn't want to count them. So we'll just see how we do. But this will be fun. So.
Yeah, it's nice out. It's pretty peaceful right now. So we're excited to get started on this. You know how much Sean and I love projects. Now we're doing other people's projects.
So here's our pad we're going to put the greenhouse on. It's gravel, compacted. It's a little past the 6 foot by 8 foot measurements, so there's a little extra room around the edge, and we put these blocks around it, put some landscape fabric underneath, and then filled the whole thing with gravel. It's compacted, it's level with a pitch to the left as you're looking at it, so the water will drain on the gutters of the greenhouse. And yeah, that's about it.
You do this, honey? right, you guys. Well, we came to the end of our day. We didn't quite finish, but
you can see behind us, we've got this this start of a greenhouse. We've got the frame up, and we just got to do the frame of the roof and then close it all in. Pretty cool.
So I think our plan is we're going to come back tomorrow morning, finish up all that stuff for a couple hours.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have any comments or questions down below, and give us that thumbs up. Let us know if we're doing a good job or not, and subscribe to make sure you get our updated videos.
And have a great Wednesday, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.